Hey YouTube friends, welcome back. I have another interesting video for you to watch. This one's on two SHURE cartridges. They're both the same model, M95ED. It's a vintage model from 70s through the 80s, I believe. The first one here I have is my original one, and this one is a new in-box. Stay tuned for that one. I'll show you my original one first. Bought this probably in the mid-70s when I was a kid. SHURE M95ED. They had different labeling through the years. This one says Premier, and this side it says SHURE. This is a replacement stylus. It's not the original one. My original one broke a long time ago, and this is a replacement. It's not as good as the original SHURE Diamond, but it was low cost, and I just got it as a replacement for the time being. You could have a look at it. Different labeling through the years. It still works, of course. And this one I want to show you is a new old stock SHURE M95ED. I got it from a fellow in Argentina who explained that he obtained hundreds of them from a factory that made turntables, and they had ordered, I guess, literally hundreds and thousands of these to pre-mount on the turntables that they were making. He wasn't able to tell me the name of the turntable company or the factory or anything, just that he had a great many of these SHURE M95EDs that he discovered. This is a generic box that he put them in. He gave me two mounting screws and nuts to go with it. And it's new old stock. You could see this labeling is a little bit different. It says SHURE High Track. I don't know if this is a newer or older generation of the M95ED. And this one does have a indicator on it, M95EDM, and that M indicated mounted. So these were bought in bulk by this turntable factory to pre-mount them on the whatever turntables they were making. It's a nude elliptical bi-radial diamond. It's measured at 0.2 by 0.7 mil, which is original. The other one I have, the aftermarket one, I'm not so sure of the dimensions. But this was a great find, and I'm very glad to have it. Just the connectors there are a little tarnished, I guess, from sitting so long. Probably a Mr. Clean and Magic Eraser could shine those up a little bit and clean up some of that tarnish. It tracks at about 3/4 of a gram to, I think, about 1.5 grams, and it's a midline SHURE, this being one step below the V15 series, and it was a great price at the time. I didn't pay much for my original one back in the mid-70s. I can't remember. It was probably maybe $50 or less. And this one I got from this fellow in Argentina for $79, and I think it was a good idea to get it, to have it and add to my cartridge collection. So there it is, M95ED, brand new, and it also came with instructions. I don't know if they're the original or reprinted, probably reprinted. But thanks for coming by to take a look at this video. Hope you found it interesting. I certainly appreciate this cartridge, and I'm glad to have it. Check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for coming by, and we'll see you again real soon.